And unang-una sa kay Lord, no, kay Jesus Christ, ang Lord and Savior natin, na hinayaan niyo yung pagkakataon na to para magsama-sama tayo. So, ang birthday wish ko sa aking anak, sana maging healthy and strong habang lumalaki ang aking anak na si Harley. So, si Mami naman, itong turn mo na para magsabi ng birthday.
Thank you everyone for coming here, even though it was a short notice. As you all know, Harley does have his moments delayed with his development and all that, but everyone here remained very supportive with our family of three, even Jollibee right now. So yeah. So yeah, bawal daw yung makot si Jollibee. Bawal. So alam niyo na, bawal pa. So yeah, thank you everyone for being here. Please keep on supporting us because we do need it a lot. But for Harley, I hope that for your first actual birthday party, it makes it memorable because everyone's here, and for you to grow up healthy and strong, but remain faithful and God-fearing. He actually knows how to pray. And yeah, just be who he is, because that's what makes him special. Thank you.
Ayan, okay. Family picture po muna. Family picture together with our best friend Jollibee. And of course, ng ating birthday boy, na